It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. And in this video, you are going to learn step by step on how to uninstall or how to remove any app from your Windows PC, step-by-step tutorial without losing any data. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're already new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post valuable content, you will be notified. So with that being said, let's dive deep into the tutorial and see how to uninstall or how to remove any application or software from your PC. So let's begin. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to uninstall any app from Windows PC. The very first thing you need to do is to come down to your search right here. Make sure you type in Control Panel. Then make sure you navigate to Control Panel from the top right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you navigate to Programs. Then make sure you navigate to Uninstall a Program. So all the application you have on your PC is going to be displayed right here. So you can easily click on any one you want to uninstall. So I'm going to use one as an example in this video. So I'm going to uninstall this particular software right here, Internet Download Manager. So I'm going to click on that. Having select on the software you want to remove, come to the top right here. Make sure you click on Uninstall. You're going to have stuff like this. Make sure you click on Yes. Make sure you choose Full Install as the case may be. Then click on Next. Then click on Finished. So the application uninstall is going to prepare just like what you see on the screen of this video. So you can click on Cancel right here. So by the time you refresh your PC, the app is no longer here, as you can see right here. You can uninstall as many as possible app just by following this particular video. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.